Hi, my name is Sang. I always wanted to do a YouTube video, and I never had a chance to because I don't know, I was just nervous. Today I'm gonna do unboxing of a handbag that I got from the Coach outlet. It is the Troupe crossbody, and I went on the outlet and I saw it, and I was really surprised that it was in the outlet. I wanted this bag from the retail store, but then when I went to buy it, it was gone. So I was really lucky, and I went to the outlet and it was there. It was there for let's see, it was there for $1.98, and then I used a promo code and I got $10 off, and it came to $188.34, and then the tax was $10.34. So my total at the end I paid was $198.34. I've been waiting for a while to unbox this because I wanted to record it for my first video here on YouTube. So I'm really excited and I can't wait any longer. So I thought it would come in a box, but it came in a bag instead. Hold on. I don't know how it's gonna look like because usually when I order my bags, they come in a box, but this time it came in a bag. So I'm kind of I hope nothing happened to it. This is how it looks like. And let's see. Try to. It's the Troupe crossbody. I don't know if I mentioned that yet. It's really pretty. This is the back. This is the front. I was watching some YouTube videos myself on it before I got it to see if I really like it. And then I saw a lot of other YouTubers unbox it too, and I really like it. And I thought I'll get it. There's a chain. The rock is really hard to get off. And then here's the inside. And this is how it looks like inside. And there's two big compartments and a zipper compartments right here. And then this is the dust bag. Oh, hold up. Something's in there. I don't know what that is. Okay. This is the dust bag. It's the Coach 1941 dust bag. It's really pretty. And then this is how it looks like. If I didn't show you that yet. There's a turn lock right there, and then the chain, it's really nice. Then here's the 1941 tag. It's really pretty. You guys want to see the bottom, and then the orange, the stitching. I really like that detail. It's really nice to unwrap. And then well, it's really hard to take off. They wrapped it really well. That's how it looks like with all the wrapping off. And there's the back. Okay. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys liked this first video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll try to do better videos in the future. Bye.